Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the advanced filter icon in Excel and how you can navigate through a large data set using this advanced filter. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is insert some rows above our table. We're going to copy the headings of this table and paste it above. Now we're going to create the filters for the table below, and you can do a number of filters at one time if that's what you like. So first of all, we'll try day of the week. We want to filter the table below, which is a motor vehicle company and the sales of those vehicles, and we want to filter it to all the sales that happen on Monday only. And if you want to do an or, you can actually do a couple. So we'll do Monday and Sunday, make sure they're on separate lines. And we want to make sure that the color of the vehicle is black. So by putting it on a separate line, that is making it an OR. So every line is a separate filter. So it's either going to come back if it's a Monday, if it's sold on a Monday, it's sold on a Sunday, or the color is black. So I'll show you that filter now by going to Advanced Filter. The list range, and it's automatically worked out what it is, so I'm going to say OK. Otherwise you highlight the cells that you want to filter. The criteria range, including the headings, are all these rows here, including that Monday, Sunday and black. And we'll press OK, and you can see now that every row is either a Monday, a Sunday, or black. So it's Sunday and green, so yes, it passed the test, it's being a Sunday. This one's Tuesday, so it didn't pass the test here, however the vehicle is black. So these are all OR statements. So I'm going to unfilter this by going up to the ribbon and clicking clear. And to change it up a little bit, rather than saying it's going to be a sold on a Monday, a Sunday, or the vehicle is black, I'm going to say it's Monday, Sunday, and the vehicle has to be black on those days. So rather than putting the black color on a separate line, I'm going to type the color black on the same line as the Monday and Sunday. So it's either a Monday and a black color car, or Sunday and a black color car. Or I might even change it and say it's a Sunday and a red color car. So when I filter it this time, it's going to come back and filter all the cars or vehicles that are sold on a Monday that are black, Monday and black, or Sunday and red. So let's try this advanced filter again. Again, it's selected the list range. I'll do this manually just to show you that you select the entire cell. Criteria range, we're going to select only those two rows where there's data, because if you select a row with nothing, it's going to bring back everything in the table. Click enter, press OK, and now you can see that the table has been filtered to Sunday and Monday only, and only Sunday and red vehicles, and Monday and black vehicles. Now you can make this as big and as wide as you like with many if and filters. I've just shown you a couple of small examples to get you started. So hopefully you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.